My boat is a surface longliner, 29-meter long, 6.5-meter beam, equipped with a 700 horsepower Caterpillar engine, 7508, and 3 auxiliaries, 2 Volvos and 1 Cummins. We have been using XBEE for 13 years, and now we've noticed how well it works on the filters. The quantity of filters we used to consume before, during one trip, is our yearly consumption now. We also noticed a great improvement in the cleaning of the engines. Once they are disassembled and cleaned, they remain so for 2 years, 3 years, 4 years in a row, without as much deposits as before. Good day. My name is Renato Jorge Peixoto Vieira. I'm the chief engineer of the ship, Siempre Bella Vista. We have been using XBEE product for more than 12 years. The product was recommended to us, and it is excellent. We have great results in terms of cleanliness and engine performance. Every time we had to service the engine, we used to spend a lot of time cleaning the covers, the rocker arms, everything. We were wasting a lot of time, and it was incredibly dirty. Since we started using the product, as you could notice in the video, it is a marvel. The product is really wonderful. We consume less, that's guaranteed. Our ship used to consume about 1,250 liters per day. Now, we don't even get to 1,200, 1,180, 1,190, 1,170 depending on the captain. So we are saving at least 70 to 80 liters every day. Well, the conclusion I draw is that the product is efficient. Of course, if we save on filters, on fuel consumption, and on the engine maintenance costs, how not to recommend it? This is something that I would certainly recommend to all my colleagues who are listening to me. Use it and try it. You will be delighted.
XBEE Enzyme Fuel Technology.